everyone, and welcome to Cricut Time. Subscribe to see new videos each week with project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's project, I'll show you how to make your own surprise crackers for Easter. These are super easy to make and are very beginner friendly. For this project, you'll need some cardstock. I picked up this Easter theme pack from Dollar Tree, but you can also use regular cardstock instead. I like this pack because it has lots of cute designs in here. I'll also need some string, a glue stick, and some goodies to put inside. Let's get started in Design Space. There are lots of designs ready to use in the Images section, including designs for crackers. Instead of needing to recreate your own files for everything, it's nice to go in here and find ready-to-use files. Let's go with this one today. I want to make my crackers jumbo size today, so I'm going to make the width 10.5 inches and the height 8 inches. Now I'll just copy and paste this to get one more. And this is ready to press make it. I'll be cutting on a mat, continue, and let's see what kind of cardstock options there are. My cardstock has some foil details on it, so I'll go with this one, Deluxe Paper Foil Embossed. Now I'm ready to cut. I'm going to go with these two today. And because I'm making these jumbo, I don't need to trim the paper at all. I'll stick each sheet down on a green mat. Next, I'll use my brayer to stick the cardstock down to the mat really well. This mat is ready, so I can pop it into my Maker 3. You can use a Cricut or Silhouette for this step. If you ever have issues where your cardstock is tearing, most of the time, this means your mat isn't sticky enough. You can try washing it or wiping the gunk off with a baby wipe. Let it dry, and it should be nice and sticky again. To take the cardstock off the mat, flip the mat upside down and roll the mat away from the paper. The only thing still left to my mat are these little diamonds, and these come off easily with the scraper tool. Here is cracker number 1. Now I'll repeat that process with number 2. Both of these are cut out, and I'll show you how they go together. I could just pop the tab in now, but I don't want to take the chance of these coming undone. So I'll grab my glue stick and add a bit of glue to the tab, and then put it together and hold it for a few seconds for the glue to stick. Now I can repeat that for the other 2 tabs. I'll let this one dry and do the second cracker. Adding glue to each tab, then sticking it together. Next is time for the string. Tie one side nice and tight so none of the goodies can fall out later. Fill it up with whatever you want inside. I wanted to make my popper a jumbo size so it could fit all the stuff that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Now you just have to tie the other side. This cute little cracker is ready for Easter. I'll repeat that whole process with cracker number 2. Tie on the string nice and tight. Fill it up. And tie the second string. Well, there you go. These are done and couldn't have been easier. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.